All right, Fortnite fans, if you thought Hasbro was already milking the Fortnite trend for all it's worth, well, you haven't seen anything yet. The toy maker has unveiled a full line of Fortnite-themed Nerf guns, including Super Soakers. And while it's not a complete reflection of the Battle Royale shooter's arsenal, it's likely you'll find something that suits your tastes. People who prefer dart-based Havoc can pick up the ARL assault rifle for $50 or the SPL pistol for conventional weaponry, but can also wield $10 micro-shot dart blasters for surprise attacks. If you've ever wanted to shoot foam projectiles from a llama's mouth, well, now's your chance. The Super Soaker crowd has multiple tools in its arsenal as well. Fortnite's tactical shotgun is available as a pump-action water blaster for $20, while the rocket launcher showed up as the $20 RL. Thankfully, you aren't actually firing water-filled projectiles. And if you're looking for a Fortnite take on the classic squirt gun, the HCE hand cannon will be available for $10. The lineup officially reaches shelves on March 22nd, with pre-orders available both through Hasbro as well as Amazon and Walmart. Powerup Toys, the creator of the first smartphone-controlled paper airplane motor kit, is introducing 3 new products at Toy Fair 2019. Powerup 4.0, Powerup Racers, and OKO Multi-View. The Powerup 4.0 is an ultra-durable propulsion motor that universally adapts to almost any paper airplane design and transforms it into a flying machine. Pilots launch, steer, and land their planes using their Bluetooth-connected device and the Powerup app. The Powerup 4.0 has 2 propellers for double the power and more maneuverability, an autopilot-controlled flight feature that makes flying in windy conditions ultra easy, and new onboard sensors that collect real-time flight performance data. Pilots then analyze this data and tweak the design of their airplanes to optimize the flying experience, making it perfect for use at home or even in the classroom. The Powerup 4.0 will be available online this fall for $59.99. Children ages 8 and up can take to the road, water, or even air with the new Powerup Racers, motorized origami vehicles. The small, versatile propulsion motor transforms a paper creation into a motorized car, a boat, or even an airplane, all using the same motor. Children fold their own paper car, boat, or airplane out of a sheet of paper, clip on the fully charged Powerup Racers motor, and they're ready to drive, float, or fly their creations. The kit comes with a propulsion motor, 3 folding templates, wheels, and fastening clips. It's perfect for home, or again can be used to teach aerodynamics and physics in the STEM classroom. The Powerup Racers will be available this fall for $24.99. And finally, the OKO Multi-View. It's the newest multi-use smartphone accessory children can use to explore the world around them. Children insert their smartphone into the OKO Multi-View and wear it like goggles to transform the phone's camera into an amazing augmented reality tool, or use it like entry-level binoculars with capture capabilities. The spatial aspherical oculars create a high-quality, full-screen viewing experience to immerse children in AR apps on the fly. When using the OKO Multi-View as binoculars, children can see beyond what a traditional smartphone camera captures. If they find a scene they love, well, they can simply save it for later by taking a picture of it or a video using their device without removing the device from the goggles. The OKO Multi-View will be available this spring for $29.99. If you'd like to see more, simply visit poweruptoys.com. And finally, happening in this week's What The? A man marries 3 different women and gets them all apartments in the same neighborhood. Yeah, seriously. He was just begging for trouble, it seems. A man has impressed Chinese netizens with his level of deceit and dedication, managing to juggle 3 different wives and families at the same time by settling them all down in close proximity to one another. The 36-year-old man, surnamed Zhang, was able to get hitched 3 times in a period of 3 years to 3 different women by exploiting a loophole in the system, marrying each time in a different province. Zhang owns his own real estate company. Zhang fathered at least 1 child with each of his wives and managed to support all 3 families through his booming real estate business. Zhang's second wife described him as being caring and considerate, noting that he would always wash the dishes after dinner. However, that didn't stop her from reporting Zhang to the police after his secret was uncovered last year. Zhang has now been charged with polygamy, an offense that could land him in jail for up to 2 years. "After I get out, I will see who can forgive me, and I will be with her," he told reporters about his future marriage prospects. Basically saying, hey, I'll take whatever I can get now. Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we should feature on the program, you need to shoot me an email, djraymcneil@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook at Your Weekly Tech Update, and check out the podcast. Audio and video versions available on iTunes, Google, Spotify, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. Till next time, I'm Ray McNeil. Good night, world.